Warm, muggy weather over the weekend and some much needed rain, but around those showers, we also enjoyed a lot of mellow sunshine. So we did have a good weekend overall, especially on Saturday. Here's a picture from over the weekend. One of our viewers at the golf course in Byron, Laura Fritsch, sent in the picture. A beautiful sunset there at Summerby, and yeah, a good day to be out and about doing that, or just about anything between those showers anyway. Look at some of the sunshine and a few passing clouds we're enjoying right now. This is from Austin looking eastward with our Lewiston auto camera. Right now, showers from last evening moved out. We had some pretty soaking showers. They have now moved into central Wisconsin up toward Wausau and Greenwood there in Marshfield. Even a couple of sprinkles now approaching Northwood and Mason City right now. So look for maybe a brief shower, especially in the Iowa side of the border here in the short term. More widespread rain and some thunder will redevelop, I think, for the afternoon. But here's a look at some of the totals, impressive totals from last evening primarily. Douglas, just north of Rochester, 1.96 inches. Genoa, 1.69 inches. And Plainview, just northeast of Rochester, 1.49 inches. Here at the studio, 1.3 inches. Quite a bit of rain last evening alone. Austin had more than an inch yesterday. Byron, 63 hundredths. And at the airport in Rochester, almost half an inch total for the weekend time frame. Almost an inch in Rochester, and we had 2.72. That's the total now for the month of May. We are closing in on the normal amount. 3.09 would be the standard, and we're not that far from it. Another soaking shower or two, and I think we'll be up there, but 3.24 inches below normal for the year overall. That's almost a month's worth of rain. We have to work to get there, but maybe not all at once. We'll get there eventually, though. Hopefully, some sunshine right now. Here the weather patio at 67 degrees. We enjoyed some nice bright moonlight. Now it's a sunnier scene with some passing clouds, a light south breeze, dew point 65 here at the studio. At 65 degrees at the airport in Rochester, Austin 64, Cresco, Iowa now 66. Some sun, light south breeze here in Rochester. Officially, those winds out of the south 10 miles per hour. Air pressure is steady. Showers from last night moving on. A couple of spotty showers. You see some of those around Charles City, toward Rudd, around Marble Rock and Mason City. More widespread rain to the west, falling apart, but that is associated with a cold front that again will act as a focus of more thunderstorm development for the afternoon and evening. Some of those will work their way in our direction. We'll look at the possibility, maybe a couple of strong storms, mainly late afternoon into the evening. Latest from the Storm Prediction Center places us in the marginal risk, so it's the lowest level threat for the outlook for us, and it looks like that'll be coming up for Rochester and to the west primarily this afternoon. Large hail, damaging winds, the primary concerns out of that. Tomorrow, similar situation, large hail, damaging winds, and still a low-level threat for severe weather. So not a huge outbreak, but still a couple of storms, maybe strong to severe today and tomorrow. But future track, spotty showers, especially on the Iowa side of the border this morning. Afternoon, we see these pop-up thunderstorms, and they'll become more widespread by 5 or 6 o'clock, migrating northeastward along and ahead of that approaching cold front. Severe weather, at least thunderstorm risk does ramp up afternoon, at least some scattered storms, most widespread activity after about 5 o'clock into the evening, quarter inch or more of rain and some of the heavier showers. 60s ahead of that cold front behind it, quite a bit cooler. We're going to see some much cooler weather by the mid part of the week after that front moves through. That'll be tomorrow. So storm chances today and tomorrow, then cooler for Wednesday and the latter part of the week. But some sun, a few clouds, muggy sunshine for that morning commute. 68 the morning temperature. Gathering clouds and scattered storms this afternoon. 79 by 3 o'clock. Overall high temperature today around 80 degrees. So another warm and humid one with a southwest breeze that'll make it that may feel a little more palatable with that gusty wind at 25 miles per hour. But scattered storms this afternoon and future track. Watching those storms push through the area through the course of the day ahead of that cold front tomorrow. Redeveloping storms after some morning sunshine. Resurgence of development for that front as it moves on to the east, and then drier, cooler air with winds turning to the northwest behind that tomorrow night into Wednesday. Dry, high pressure, and then another storm system brings a brief shower to Thursday into Friday. More widespread rain Thursday. It may be the wettest of the latter part of the week, and then the very small rain chances Friday and Sunday. Those temperatures look a little more on par with what is average for this time of the year, right around 70 for the holiday weekend. 80s today, though, low 80s with scattered, mainly afternoon thunderstorms. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. A couple of scattered thunderstorms, especially this evening. 64, partly cloudy tonight. 7-day forecast, scattered storms tomorrow, and then again periods of rain, maybe a rumble of thunder Thursday, and then very small rain chances beyond that heading into the weekend time frame. But most of the holiday weekend right now looks pretty good and pretty comfortable. Not as warm as the weekend we finished, though.
Yeah, people who maybe didn't like that heat and humidity of the weekend are going to get a break later on.
That's true.
Thanks, Ted.